Welcome back to the channel. I want you to have a chat over this video to explain what has been happening over the past month or so and what will be happening next and what to look out for in the coming weeks. Over the past month, as with all of the world, I have been dealing with the lockdown and the challenges this has presented. It's a trying time for us all in many different ways, but especially for those at the front line of care, whatever role that may be. I would like to personally thank each and every one of you for your service and dedication. It is amazing to see, and I hope it will never be forgotten. I've not been uploading videos over the past month, and my attention has been elsewhere, but now I have a bit of time, I can return to my hobby. Today, I'm washing Scotty, the TDI 90. Unfortunately, being left outside and not used in some months, he now needs some TLC. The good news is that Scotty has recently come back from a full service and check over, and mechanically we are all tip-top. So today, I'm going to start on the cleaning. Step 1 today, I'll be applying snow foam and letting this dwell for a few minutes, and then using a wool mitt, wash the car down gently from the top. It makes a great difference to the way the paint looks just completing this step, but next is when the fun begins with the clay bar and we can remove some of the real contaminants. This will be step 2. We will then follow up with a further quick wash and move on to machine polishing, which will complete step 3. I have bought some new wheels and I'm going to try these on and see how these look, and these will be added to the car, and at the same time I'll clean the wheel wells and try and clean and paint the suspension components, which will complete step 4. Following this, I will turn my attention to the interior with some small trim changes, a full wet back and a hoover, followed by cleaning and feeding the leather, which will complete step 5. Many more videos that I want to complete on the other cars that I have, such as the trim move of the heated Alcantara into my lowish mileage FSI, a mild refurbish of the wiper arm, a full deep clean of both of the FSIs, and a replacement of heater vents, and much more little odds and sods as well. I really love when I get asked questions in the comments. It's always great to interact with the people that watch my videos and to get feedback. I'm not an expert, but I definitely know a few people that are. And where I can help point you in the right direction, I will, even if I don't know the answer myself. Finally, I would just like to say a big thank you for watching all my videos and continuing to support my channel. It's been awesome to see it grow over the past few months, and I'm very much appreciative of the support you give me. Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.